Yo, what's going on, everybody? So, back at you today with another video. Quick little unboxing. Something that I think the GTR should have came with from the factory. So, let's get this box opened up and see what it is. That's right. Hood struts. I don't even understand why you got such an expensive car and you still gotta have the daggone regular old hood prop. Makes no sense to me. So today we're gonna get these hood struts installed so we don't have to deal with this dumb thing right here anymore. All right, we got these things unboxed here. See, you're just gonna get these hood struts on real quick. I'll leave a link in the description below. It's real simple. Just bolt it on, and that way, like I said, get rid of this crazy hood prop. We don't gotta deal with that no more. So let me grab some tools. Looks like all I need is maybe a 10 wrench and maybe a 12. So let's grab those and get these things on. All right, so looks like take this top nut off, which is 12 millimeter. Take that off, get this bracket put on, and then we take out this bolt right here, this other bracket put on, and then we can install the strut. What's even more crazy, it looks like there's already a thing there. I wish this thing was, I wish I was able to get that off and I just put that on there, but let's see. Let's get this loose. Yeah, I don't know. I was using a wrench, man. I ain't to go get the electric ratchet. Got it all the way tight. Just got it on there so I can still move it, so I can be able to adjust. And now we gotta figure out which one of these fender bolts we gotta remove so we can get this bracket on. I don't know which one it is. Guess we gotta figure it out. All right, so looks like if we have the hood strut here, this looks like it's going to be the third fender bolt down. We start here, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to remove this plastic cover so I can be able to access that bolt and get this other bracket on. So I grab a little screwdriver. Pop up all the little clips. So I can get this cover off and get to that 10. Also, there is a little clip, this little clip right here. It's kind of hard to get out. It's in the bottom of this, right there. So be careful when you're pulling that thing up. Actually need to slide this out, and I'll slide it back in that. But now we're able to access this tin. Let's go and get this bracket on, and then move on to the other side. So I got that bolt out. I put this bracket on. I actually put all this already back, but all that's left to do now is pop this on there. Wow, thing's actually pretty tough. I had to put the camera down for this one. Alright, got that one on. Now let's move on to the other side. Get that taken care of, so we can get rid of this. Alright, so it's the same process. Just got to take this cover off, just like I did that side. Pull all these plastic clips out. Pull this 12mm off. Pull that 10mm off down there. And then get the brackets put on. Alright, so now all that is all hooked up. Now let's see how it works. Get rid of this daggone factory hood prop right here. So now if I unhook this, yeah, the hood stays up on its own. Let's leave this here for now. So now, let's check the clearances on this. Make sure it closes like it should. Nothing gets in the way. Oh yeah, I like that. Much better. Now, pop the hood. Perfect. No more hood prop. Now I can get this thing off here, and might just leave it. Nah, I'm gonna take it off. But I think it's so much better, man, without that ugly hood prop in the way. Especially like if you're in here working or something. Like when I was doing this intake on this side, man, I was working around that daggone hood prop. It was like in my way. So now when I go to do anything else, that's not in my way. So I'll leave a link in the description below. Got those things off eBay, man. I think they was like 30-40 bucks, maybe a little bit more than that. But yeah, man, they seem to work great. The only job they have to do is hold the hood up, so they're perfect for that. I got much more clearance in here. And as always, man, like, comment, and subscribe. Catch y'all in the next video. Deuce.